Good evening all. Welcome all of you. Audio video clear. Welcome all of you. Audio video clear. Yes. So let's start. So today we are discussing the topic speed, distance, time, work and time. These are interconnected. Work and time means pipe and cistern is an extension of work and time. So that also we'll be discussing. So mainly three chapters: speed, distance, time chapter, work and time chapter, pipe and cistern chapter. All the concepts we will be revising. To the new students, this is a series where we are revising all the topics of UPSC, CSAT, CSIR NET and GATE exams because upcoming exams for the next week or after 10 days the exams are there for CSIR NET also. That is why this is a combined series, because these are the topics that is needed for all these exams. So you can invite your friends also to be part of this session. Let more people know about this session. For the new people, my name is Christy Vergas. More about me you can see here. I have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants in the last 10 years for different competitive exams including UPSC Civil Service, CSIR NET, GATE, UGC NET, CUET, etc. These are the books I have written for General Aptitude and Speed Maths, and the book CSIR NET General Aptitude and New Outlook is current bestseller book for CSIR NET General Aptitude preparation. And these are the resources we provide as part of Christy's classes. The website christyvergas.in, you can see many resources provided there, and the Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and mobile application Christy's classes also you can follow. And these are the playlists available in this channel where you can learn more about aptitude section for different competitive exams. For UPSC there is a dedicated playlist. For UGC NET, CSIR NET, GATE there are dedicated playlists, so you can use that. And there are dedicated Telegram channels also. Check the description of the video to get more information or the link to join the Telegram channels. In the Telegram channel we provide the study materials associated with each lecture. After every lecture the study materials associated with each lecture are also provided in the Telegram channel, and further updates of our classes also you will get through the Telegram channel itself. So these are the free classes we have taken. UPSC CSAT in 30 minutes there is a playlist. General Aptitude in 30 minutes there is another playlist. Through that you can learn all these topics completely free in 30 minutes each topic, 30 to 40 minutes. 40 topics we have covered in that series. That playlist link also you can find in this channel itself. New students, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get updates, and so that this channel also will grow. And the paid courses in our mobile application Christy's classes, those of you are interested can join it. The flashcards that you are seeing in the class, that is available as an ebook also in our mobile application, and it is also available through Google Books and Kindle books also. So those of you want ebooks of these flashcards, you can purchase from there. And the printed version of this flashcards also will be soon available through Amazon website. And the paid courses for GATE General Aptitude is also announced. More about it I will tell you towards the end of the class. And CSIR NET complete course is also available. So that's it. That's the intro. Let more people join. Make sure all of you have invited your friends and shared the link to relevant WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups or Telegram channels. Okay, so today's topic, first speed, distance, time. Let's discuss about speed, distance, time. Elementary maths in school you have learned speed is equal to distance by time. Speed, distance और time का ratio है ना. Speed distance by time है तो distance क्या होगा? Speed into time. Time क्या होगा? Distance by speed होगा. By just rearranging this equation. Or if you feel that you will forget it, this triangle will help you to remember that well. DST. Draw the triangle like this. So that distance है तो speed and time multiply करना है, because they are in the same level ना. Time है तो distance and speed divide करना है. It looks like a division itself ना. Speed है तो distance by time division. So that way you can remember, just a memory technique. So what is speed, distance, time? All of you know. And speed, distance, time, not only the formula, in many questions the logic behind speed, distance, time will help you to understand better. For example, a car is traveling at 40 km per hour. Just looking at that as value 40 and unit kilometer per hour, understand what is a practical meaning of it. 40 km per hour means in every hour. 1 hour दिया तो 40 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करेगा. If 1 hour is given, 40 किलोमीटर can be traveled. तो 2 hour दिया तो 80 किलोमीटर ना. 3 hour means 1 more 40, 120. Think this way, that will help you in many questions. Instead of searching for a formula, many questions, this understanding is better to know the question better or understand the question better and to solve the question faster. Many questions, this logical interpretation will help you. So keep that in mind. And unit conversion in many questions it is necessary, because question will be giving in maybe the data is given in kilometer and hour, distance in kilometer and time in hour, but finally answer is expected in meter per second. Then what you should do, किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आवर को सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 3600 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो बाय दैट यू कैन डिराइव इट इजीली. आई विल शो यू 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो किलोमीटर को कन्वर्ट करना है, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर टू meter, so 1000 meter. Kilo means 1000, so kilometer means 1000 meter. And hour to seconds. 1 hour is 60 minutes and every minute is 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. So kilometer per hour to convert to meter per second. 1000 by 3600 is the ratio. When you cancel it, you will get 5 by 18. That is how this 5 by 18 is derived. Either you should by heart it or you can derive it yourself like this. So kilometer per hour to meter per second, if it is 5 by 18, meter per second to kilometer per hour will be reciprocal of it, na? 18 by 5, multiply by 18 by 5. And kilometer, 1000 meter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so 1 kilometer is 1000 into 100, 1 lakh centimeter. And 1 hour is 60 minutes, every minute is 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, 3600 seconds is 1 hour. So that also should be clear. Now in most of the question, this concept is very important. The concept of relative speed concept. Relative speed means if two objects are moving, for example, one object this way, another object also same direction, that means their speed should be subtracted. Same direction hai to relative speed will be difference of speed. But if it is opposite direction like this, then the speed should be added. This is useful in many questions. And speed distance time, another chapter which is an extension of speed distance time is train problem. There also this relative speed will be very helpful. For example, a train is trying to cross a running man. If the running man is running in the same direction, you have to subtract the speed. If the running man is running in opposite direction, you have to add up the speed. Speed of train plus speed of object. Here the object is running man, if you take the example of running man. Same way, if a train is crossing another train, if it is same direction, difference of speeds. If it is opposite direction, sum of speeds. Yeah, I will summarize this flashcard also. Then we will go back to other aspects of speed distance time. So for train problem, these are the major 6 scenarios that can occur. Major 6 scenarios. What are these scenarios? एक ट्रेन है, वो ट्रेन दूसरा एक ऑब्जेक्ट को क्रॉस कर रहा है. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द और फीचर्स ऑफ द सेकंड ऑब्जेक्ट, देयर आर 6 सिनेरियोस. द फर्स्ट ट्रेन इज एनीवे मूविंग. ट्रेन तो मूविंग है, लेकिन दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट मूविंग है या नॉट मूविंग है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू कैन कैटेगराइज. इफ द सेकंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज स्टेशनरी, स्टेशनरी मीन्स नो स्पीड इन्वॉल्व्ड ना. इफ द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग हाउ मच टाइम टेकन टू क्रॉस, हाउ मच टाइम टेकन टू क्रॉस, time is equal to distance by speed. Now, distance to be covered is length of train if it is object is stationary and of negligible length. Negligible length means, for example, train crossing an electric post or a pole or a standing man. Standing man means he is stationary. Now, in all those cases, the length of train only matters, because to cross means the entire length of train should cross entire length of the train itself. So the distance to be covered is length of train itself. But what if the second object has some length? Then length of that object also should be considered. For example, train crossing a bridge, train crossing a tunnel, train crossing a platform. For example, train ka length 100, platform ka length 150 hai, to total length to be covered is not 150, because entire length of train should cover entire length of platform. So 150 plus 100, that is length of train plus length of object. But as the object is stationary, only speed of train matters. So divided by speed of train. Now what if the second object is also moving? Second object is also moving. Moving means there are two ways you can move, now same direction or opposite direction. And what if the object is having negligible length? Like the standing man, what if that man is running? If it is same direction, as I told, relative speed will be difference of speed. If it is opposite direction, relative speed will be sum of speed. And for negligible length case, as I discussed already in this first case, negligible length means only length of train matters. So length of train will be the numerator. Time is equal to distance by speed. If the question is not asking time, if it is asking length, you have to rearrange this equation, that's all. Or if it is speed, same thing itself. Now the last two situation is, what if the second object is having some length also and it is moving also. Moving means same direction, opposite direction. According to that, subtraction or addition of speed. If it is having some length, as we discussed in the second case, you have to consider that length also. Now length of object should be added. So that are the different ways train problem can be asked. All of you understood this, please respond. So train problem is another chapter. Yeah, today actually we are not discussing 3 chapters. We are discussing 5 chapters. Basic theory. Speed, distance, time. Train problem. Boat and stream problem. Work and time problem, and pipes and cistern chapter. So this much is clear. Questions related to this I have already posted in the other playlist. So those of you who are new to my classes, check out this playlist where 40 free lectures are given in this YouTube channel itself, or check out our Telegram channel. I will post the links of those videos also for those people who want to access it, or those people who are new and not able to find the link. I'll share the link today. Okay, so this much is clear, I guess. Now train problem is clear. Same way, boat and stream problem also can be asked. In the boat and stream problem, the relative speed is little different from the train problem scenario. Boat and stream, the idea is a boat is floating down boat is traveling down the stream or up the stream. Down the stream means due to gravity the speed will be higher, na? Up the stream means the speed will be lower. Speed will be higher means, for example, if the boat is also having a speed, external speed, na? And the water have a natural speed, that is called speed of water or speed of stream or speed of river. All means the same. I will call that SW. And the external speed of boat, the speed of the engine of the boat, let it be SB. So if the boat is traveling downstream, you have to sum up the speed because the gravity is pushing down or the water is pushing the boat down, na? So you have to add the speed. Don't get confused with respect to train problem. In train problem, same direction, it is subtraction because the train is trying to cross the second train, for example, but the second train is running away from the first train. So it is not supporting each other. That is why subtraction. But here when the water is flowing downward, boat is also flowing downward means water is supporting the boat to travel faster, na? So sum of speeds. That way you can understand. What if the boat is going uphill or upward and water is flowing downward? That speed will be difference of speed, now speed of boat minus speed of water. Basically these two things are the most important thing. Other things are extra shortcuts, but this, again, very less number of questions were asked from this boat and streams separately. That is why this much theory is enough. Other shortcuts, if you want, you can go through it. It is easy only, you can learn from that. So that is a summary of boat and stream and train problem. Coming back to more aspects of speed, distance, time. Relative speed के बारे में discuss किया था. That is where we diverted to speed, train problem and boat and stream problem. Now, another important concept in speed, distance, time chapter is average speed concept. Average speed concept. Average speed. Speed is distance by time, na? So to find average speed, generally you have to do total distance by total time. Many people misunderstand the concept of average speed. For example, a question is saying that a person is going from place A to place B at 40 km per hour and place B to place A in 60 km per hour. What is the average speed? Some people make mistake that 40 plus 60 by 250. That is totally wrong. Average speed is not average of the speed always. Because here the distance is same. If the distance is same, don't do S1 plus S2 by 2. or if x and y are the speed, don't do x plus y by 2. It is 2xy divided by x plus y. 2xy divided by x plus y. That is, if it is 40 km per hour and 60 km per hour, 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 40 plus 60. This is the shortcut formula. This was asked many times in exams. So 2xy divided by x plus y. Otherwise, if you don't want to by heart the formula, you can logically do it also. Let x be the distance or d be the distance. Total distance covered is d plus d, na? A to B distance, B to A distance together, d plus d. Total time taken means time taken to go from A to B kitna hai? 40 km per hour speed. So time is distance by speed. Time is distance by speed. So d by 40 plus d by 60 return. This if you solve also, you will get the same answer. So this shortcut formula or the basic formula, any one of it you can use. But shortcut formula saves time actually. So that is when two speeds, this is as I told, when the distance are same, this is what you have to do. But what if the distance are same but there are three distances? D distance covered with speed x and the same d distance covered with speed y and same d distance covered with speed z. In that case, this is the formula. Again, for 4 case, you have to make more formula. That is why if you are feeling it is difficult now, go for the basic formula itself. You will get the same answer. Okay, and what if I told you this is when the distances are equal. Distances are equal. A to B, B to A are equal, na? That is why. But what if the distances are not equal? If a person covers d1 distance at speed x and d2 distance with speed y, then you have to do this total distance by total time. That is first distance plus second distance divided by first time plus second time. Because speed is distance by time. Total distance by total time. And 3 distance hai to d1 plus d2 plus d3 divided by d1 by x plus d2 by y plus d3 by z. All of you clear? So basically, if possible, learn this. Other things if you don't know also, you can still do with this basic formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. So that is the concept of average speed. Hope all of you understood it. The speed, distance, time, average speed, train problem, bottom stream problem. Hope these flashcards are clear. Let me give a sound rest. So please tell me, is it clear or not? Now we will go to work and time and pipe and cistern area, which is an analogy we can create between speed, distance, time and work and time. Then it is easy actually. So go through this flashcard. Try this question yourself first. Try this question yourself. After that, look at this flashcard. I mean the solution of this question. So try this question first. I'll give you 2 minutes to try. It's a very basic question of work and time. By this question, you can learn the theory of work and time. And all questions of work and time can be basically done with this concept itself. Try this. And if you felt this session was useful till now, please hit the like button. And after the session, please comment on this video what you felt about the session. That will help YouTube also to recommend this video to more people according to the YouTube algorithm. So try this, all of you. Will come in a minute. Okay, listen carefully. So this question itself I will take as an example to explain this concept. If A takes 10 days to complete a work and B takes 15 days to complete the same work, how long it takes if both work together? I always say to understand this, you can understand it with the example of a pizza or an example of a set of chocolates. To explain unitary method, I will take the example of a pizza. Let one pizza, to eat one pizza is the total work. Assume so. एक पूरा pizza खाना है, that is a work that is assigned to A and B. And A takes 10 days to eat the whole pizza. So one day, how much pizza A will eat? If 10 days are needed, what he will do? He will cut the pizza into 10 equal parts, 10 equal parts. And one piece every day he will eat. Or 1/10 of the whole pizza will be eaten by A. But B, if the same pizza is given to B, 15 days chahiye B ko pura pizza khane ke liye. B need 15 days to complete the entire pizza. So what is B doing? B is not cutting it into 10 equal parts. B will cut it into 15 equal parts. And one part he will eat every day. So 1 out of 15 it's a pizza B is eating every day. So one day work you need to find. Here if the units is days, that is why 1 day work. If the unit is minute, 1 minute work. If the unit is hours, 1 hour work, and so on. So A's 1 day work, B's 1 day work is clear. Now question is finally asking what? How long it takes if both work together? If both work together, you have to find the total work of A and B. Means in this example of pizza, you have to find how much pizza they will eat together in a day. In a day, how much pizza? A will eat 1/10, B will eat 1/15. So A and B together 1/10 plus 1/15. Simplify that. LCM 30. So this will be 3/30. This is 2/30. So 3 plus 2, 5/30. Cancelling it, you will get 1/6. What is the practical meaning of that? They together, if they try together, they can eat 1/6 of the pizza. Yeah, like normally pizzas are cut into 6 equal parts or 8 equal parts. That is a common thing we see now. They will eat 1 out of 6 of that 6 equal parts. That is the meaning. That means together they can eat 1/6 in a day. So total how many days are needed? 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. कितना 1/6 चाहिए? पूरा 1 pizza खाने के लिए 6 days ना? So 6 is the answer. Otherwise, mathematically speaking, 1 day 1/6. Let x be the number of days to eat one whole pizza. So 1/6 into x equal to 1. Cross multiplying, you will get x equal to 6. This is called unitary approach. All of you understood what is unitary approach? Unitary approach, the only problem is fractions are involved more. If you want to avoid fraction, you have to follow LCM approach or LCM method. Listen very carefully. LCM method is nothing but you are taking a better example to understand the question. Better example. The best example to take is 10 and 15 are the durations. Na? The LCM of 10 and 15, let that be the total work. Let total work be LCM of 10 and 15. In the number system lecture, we discussed about LCM already. Na? 10 and 15's LCM is 30. So let 30 be the total work. So there also, here I took the example of pizza. Na? But eating 30 pizzas is very dangerous, or that is not very relatable. That is why I will take it 30 chocolates. For LCM method, I will take the example of chocolates. Let 30 chocolates are to be eaten, or total work is to eat the complete 30 chocolates. So A will do that in 10 days, means one day A will eat 3 chocolates each. Na? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 10 times is 30. Na? And B will eat 15 days, B will eat 30 chocolates. So one day B will eat 2 chocolates each, or 1/15 of 30 or 30/15, 2 chocolates. So A and B individually, the work done by them is 3 and 2 work respectively. Here to understand, we understood it as eating 3 chocolates and eating 2 chocolates respectively. So what will be the combined work of A and B in a day? 3 plus 2, 5 chocolates in a day. Na? 3 plus 2, 5 chocolates in a day. So one day 5 chocolates. So let x be the number of days needed to complete the whole 30 chocolates. So 5 into x is equal to 30. That is x is equal to 6 days itself. Na? That is called LCM method. These are the two approaches by which you can do work and time chapter easily. There are other approaches also, but these are the most easiest and convenient approaches. Please respond, is this clear or not? Work and time, more theory I have given here. Work from days. If A can do a piece of work in n days, A's 1 day work is 1 by n. That we have already seen now. Na? If A can eat a whole pizza in 10 days, 1 day A will eat 1 by 10 pizza. That is this. And reverse is also true. 1 day 1 by n. So total n days are needed. That is the next thing. And total work done is number of days into efficiency. And this is exactly the speed distance time concept, the analogy of that. In speed distance time, what we say, distance is equal to time into speed, na? Time into speed or speed into time. Number of days is nothing but time itself. Instead of work done, here distance, sorry, in speed distance time it is distance, here it is work done. And efficiency is the term used here instead of speed. If you use speed as instead of efficiency also, there is nothing wrong in that. Look at this. This is what I have used in this flashcard also. Time into efficiency is equal to total work. So 1 by 6 into x is equal to 1 by, that is nothing but this thing itself. So just like speed is equal to distance by time, we commonly use speed is equal to distance by time rather more than distance equal to speed into time. Na? So speed is equal to distance by time. Same way efficiency equal to work done by time. That way you can understand work and time chapter. This formula itself rearranged. Efficiency equal to work done by time. That means efficiency is inversely proportional to time, just like speed is inversely proportional to time in speed distance time chapter. And efficiency is directly proportional to work done also. And that is what is written here. X is to Y is the ratio of number of people which are required to complete a piece of work. Then the ratio of time taken will be Y is to X. Okay, time and efficiency are inversely proportional. Na? So X is to Y, reciprocal Y is to X. This thing is not needed. This is just extension of this thing itself. Now this pipe and cistern, this idea I will explain now. Pipe and cistern is just an extension of work and time. Only thing is that in some question in pipe and cistern there is a possibility of a negative work. I will explain that concept using this example. Same unitary method, same LCM method is applicable here also. Two pipes A and B can fill a cistern. Cistern means a large tank in 3 hours and 4 hours respectively. Just like eating pizzas, here it is filling a tank, that is the work done. So there you can relate it with respect to the capacity of the tank. That will make better analogy than the pizza analogy. So 4 hours respectively, and a waste pipe C. This is the major addition in pipe and cistern. There is a possibility of a negative work. Waste pipe C that can empty it in 2 hours. These two are trying to fill the tank, but this is trying to empty the tank. That means C is doing a negative work because the final work to be done is filling the tank itself. Tank fill करना है, that is the objective. वो objective का opposite है ना, what C is doing, emptying the tank. So what C is doing is negative work. By a negative symbol you can denote that. If you understood this much, you can do this question easily. If all the 3 pipes are kept open, just like previous question, if both A and B are doing together, same way, if all 3 pipes are together open, that means all 3 pipes are doing work. The cistern will be filled in. How much time is needed to complete the work? Same unitary method, same LCM method you can use here also. Let total work be 1, like eating a whole pizza. A can eat it in 3 hours. That means 1 hour A will eat 1/3 of the pizza. Or in this case, 1/3 of the tank A can fill, 1/3 of the tank. But B can fill 1/4 of the tank. 1/4 of the tank only. Because 4 hours needed for B to completely fill. So 1 hour, 1/4 of the tank only A can fill. Or with pizza, 1/4 of the pizza. But C will empty the tank. Na? So with respect to filling the tank, C is filling minus half only, because C need 2 hours to completely empty it. So 1 hour C will empty half of the tank. Emptying the tank is opposite of filling the tank, so denoting by a negative symbol. If that means if the tank is half full, C can empty it completely in 1 hour. That is the meaning. And as I told for work and time example also, now the total work in 1 hour. Here it is everything in hour, that is why 1 hour. If it is in minutes, 1 minute. A plus B plus C is work together. Now 1 by 3 work, 1 by 4 work and minus 1 by 2 work. Adding it. That will be the total work done by A and B and C together in 1 hour. That is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. So taking LCM, 12 will be the LCM. 3 into 4 is 12, so 4 in the numerator. 4 into 3 is 12, so 3 in the numerator. 2 into 6 is 12, so 6 in the numerator. 4 plus 3 minus 6, so 1 by 12 is the 1 hour work of A, B, C together. Means 1 hour में 1/12 of the pizza खा सकता है. So 12 hour चाहिए ना पूरा pizza खाने के लिए. In 1 hour, 1/12 of the pizza. Pizza I am relating so that you can relate with the previous example also. Only thing is there is an extra negative work involved. So that negative work also please add. Add means negative value added. So it's subtraction. So 1/12 of the pizza in 1 hour. So 1/12 into 12 is 1. Na? So 12 hours is needed. Or 1 by 12 into x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 12. All of you understood? And same way, LCM method, same thing as previous LCM method itself. That LCM of this 3, 4 and 2. 3, 4 and 2 LCM is 12. So let 12 be the total work or 12 chocolates, or here it is more relatable to see it as 12 liter be the capacity of the cistern or the tank. So A will fill it in 3 hours means 1 hour 4 liter A can fill. B will fill it in 4 hours means 1 hour 3 liter B can fill. C will empty it in 2 hours means 1 hour 6 liter it can empty. That means work done by A and B and C together is 4 plus 3 minus 6. 4 plus 3 minus 6, that is 1 work in 1 hour. 1 work in 1 hour means ऐसा 12 hour चाहिए ना पूरा work करने के लिए. That is a LCM approach. Please respond the entire work and time and pipe and cistern chapter. I have summarized using these 2 flashcards. Please tell me whether you are clear about it or not, or let me know through the comment section and in the through the like button. So did you understand these things? And the questions related to this in the other playlist, 30 minutes playlist, you can find it, and I will share it in our Telegram channel also. So be part of our resources so that you don't miss any of the resources we provided and any of the study material we provided also. The practice questions related to this also will be posted in Telegram channel by tomorrow morning. So that's it. Any other doubts? UPSC CSAT aspirants, many playlists of UPSC CSAT are a combined playlist with 64 lectures are already there in the description of the video, or in the comment section we will tag it. And the comprehension, there are 5 lectures recently we have conducted for your final revision. For the UPSC CSAT in 30 minutes there is a free lecture series. So make use of these resources also for your final revision, and dedicated Telegram channel for UPSC CSAT is there, and for CSIR net also there is a dedicated Telegram channel, and for GATE exam also. So make use of our free resources that we are providing and suggest it to more people. That is a gentle request to all of you. If you are getting benefit by these lectures or series, do let others know. That will be a huge boost for me to invest more of my time in this channel. So that's it. Tomorrow we will discuss the next topic. This is a series where we are discussing all topics in a duration of about 10 lectures. All topics are covered, and the previous year questions, if you want, check the other playlist where the previous year questions are mentioned. Thank you, Abu Bakr, for the good words. Yeah, welcome all of you. Mainali, Anam, Jayant, all of you. So that's it. And those of you who want to be part of our paid courses, currently paid courses are there for CSIR net exam and GATE exam. UPSC, we are planning a full-length paid course but for 2025 exam. So you will get updates. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get update when we launch that. And for GATE exam, we have already launched it. The course is starting from July 1st onwards. 60 live lectures and online study materials are part of this complete course for GATE General Aptitude 2025. Complete theory of all topics, latest topic wise previous year question solution, live doubt clearing sessions. All lectures are live and recording also will be available, but doubt clearing sessions also will be there as live itself, and exam hacks, shortcut tricks will be discussed. Practice worksheets and mock tests will be there. The course will be in Hindi and English, and laptop and mobile access is available for the course. Free online study materials include 100 flashcards, 50 topic wise PDF, 50 practice worksheets and test series as online materials you can find in our mobile application Christie's classes. So contact this number if you have any doubts about these courses. So July 1st we will be starting the course. So you can, it is live now in the platform. So if you want to join, can join now, because as the launch offer for the live course, this will be the pricing. A recorded course is not available now as a single recording, but later we will be launching the recorded course at a lower price. But for live course, this will be the launch offer. And also for CSER Net, the 3-month subscription of our complete course with 60 recorded videos and online study materials is now available at 749 rupee, the recorded video course along with free study materials. So the free demo videos are also available in our mobile app. So that's it. And the flashcards, as I told, till this June month, those of you want to access the flashcard for your exam preparation, we are providing it almost free of cost. And those of you want it for 1 year subscription of flashcards, you can join it, join that course also, or that is only flashcard ebook course. The full length course are this 3 months, 6 months and 1 year validity. For GATE course, the validity is till GATE 2025 exam, that is February middle itself. Till February middle you will be getting the validity of the course. So that's it. Like to hear from all of you the comments related to this lecture, and stay tuned for the next lecture, and invite your friends also to be part of the next lecture. Everyone, please try to invite at least one of your friends for the next lecture, so that more people will be part of these initiatives. And as I have told before, these are completely free initiatives. The monetization of the playlist also, or in the channel for this playlist, as exam is near, we have disabled the monetization of all the playlists, so that you people have a experience where no ad will be there in between, because when you are preparing or finally revising, every minute is important. So that is why the monetary part of the YouTube channel also is disabled till your exam. After exam it will be resumed, but till your upcoming exam there will not be any ads in this YouTube channel also. So that's it. Let's conclude for today. See you all on the next class. And those of you missed any of the previous lectures on average mixtures, profit loss discount, percentage interest, permutation combination probability, number system, all are available in this playlist. Check it out also. And that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good night. See you all on the next class tomorrow 8:30 p.m. live class. Have a good night. Bye bye.